Has a stand-up shower. You can't really tell. There's no electricity in the house.
Oh, they renovated that bathroom.
Yeah, the bathroom actually looks pretty good. Has stand-up shower with tile all the way up. Doesn't look too bad. Ceilings don't look too bad. No, can't see in there either. It's too dark. Lots of potential. And lots of work also. This concludes the tour.